Hi everyone, it's Donna. Welcome to a product reveal video for the Boo and Ghost die set. This is a 6-piece die set featuring the Boo word die and 5 ghosts in varying sizes. The word die measures about 2 3/4 across and about 1 1/4 inch tall, or at least the tallest part of the letter does. The die cuts out the word, but also these little swirl lines for within the letter O that you can add. So here's the die cut, what it looks like, cut from cardstock. You have the Boo word die and then those little swirly circles for within the letter. Also in this set, you get 5 dies of ghosts. They're all different sizes. Some are wider and shorter, some are more longer but less wide. The tallest one measures about 2 1/4 inches, and the smallest one measures 1 1/2 inches when I measure kind of at a diagonal. So here's a look at what the 5 of the ghost die cut look like, cut from cardstock, right next to each other. And then here's a card share that I have for you, created using 3 of the ghosts, as well as the Boo word die. It's a fun light card that I have made, and I will have a video for that next week on the Whimsy channel, so be sure to come back and check that out. If you want to see more inspiration from the entire design team, be sure to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. I will have that link down below for you, as well as the Whimsy Stamps Inspiration Face group and Whimsy Stamps Instagram. Thanks so much for joining me for this product reveal video, and I'll see you next time.